Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm CS Sudhir. Mr. Avinash has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says he bought an apartment in Bangalore in 2010 by paying 25 lakh rupees. In 2020 June, he sold the same apartment for 65 lakh rupees. He has made a capital gain of 40 lakhs. And now his friends are asking him to pay tax on the entire 65 lakh. He is asking, should I pay tax on 65 lakhs? In fact, this is the core reason why a lot of real estate transactions happens in black money. By not disclosing, people do transactions in cash. This is bad. Even if he has made 40 lakh rupee capital gain, he doesn't really have to pay tax on the entire 40 lakh. Let me help you understand. See what happens when you have bought this apartment by paying 25 lakh 10 years back, which means because of inflation, money value has gone down. So there is something called indexation. This is connected with the inflation rate. So using indexation, when you apply the 25 lakh rupee about 10 years back would be worth maybe 45 today or 50 lakh, which means the actual profit you made is not actually 40 lakh, maybe some 15 lakh rupees. Now you will have to pay tax only on that amount. You don't have to pay tax on the full amount. In between, throughout this last 10 years, if you have spent money for renovation, if you have built another floor on that house, or if you have done some interiors, if you have bills of all that, you can even include that to your acquisition cost. So which means you have bought this 25 lakh rupee apartment 10 years back, then you have spent, let's say, 10 lakh or 5 lakh on multiple occasions for interiors, furnishing and all that, which means your acquisition cost has become 30 lakh, 25 plus 5 lakh, 30 lakh. Then indexation, if you apply, this 30 lakh may become about 55 lakh. If it becomes 55 lakh, you made just 10 lakh rupee capital gains. So now you will have to pay tax only on that component, not on the entire amount. Many people, what they do, just because not to pay tax, or just because of that fear of paying tax, they don't disclose. So they would sell it for only 25 lakh or 30 lakh, and the remaining money they take it in cash. When you take this remaining money in cash, what do you do with it? Tomorrow you can't purchase anything, you can't use that money. There are so many restrictions. Today in our country, it has become so difficult to manage cash. So my request, please don't fool yourself by doing all that. You please pay tax. It is good to consult a good chartered accountant who can guide you on this. Or you can even reach out to Financial Freedom coaches through Financial Freedom app. We can guide you how to plan this. Plus, I want you to remember this, when I talk about Avinash example of purchasing a 25 lakh rupee flat 10 years back and selling it for 65 lakh today, this may not happen today, because gone are those days where you had to see that kind of appreciation, that kind of quality apartments. I mean, today the apartment is no more an investment. I don't want you to consider purchasing apartment for investment. If you want to live there, you want to have safety, a good society for your family, then it's good to buy an apartment. For investment, don't buy an apartment. And in fact, it has become so difficult to sell your pre-owned apartment. There are so many up for sale in all major cities across India. So my suggestion, if you want to live, buy a good apartment. For investment, buy a plot of land or a commercial building or an old independent house or an agricultural land. Not this apartment, because you're paying for concrete. It won't really work value. In case if the undivided share is high, then it may benefit you. So please take care of those aspects. You can learn about all these things on Financial Freedom app, because we have about 56 courses on personal finance, career, business and farming on Financial Freedom app. These courses are designed by our experts with the super successful people. I mean, you get to learn these things from super successful people. So please watch these courses. If you have any questions related to these subjects, post your questions on the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.